Oh my god, you guys. Welcome back to the last vlog of the summer here in Maryland. I can't even believe it. Like, I'm actually just in utter shock at how quickly the summer went by. I'm sad. I haven't cried that much, only like 3 times in the last few days. I think it's because I'm gonna see my parents this weekend at that wedding, so I'm feeling a little bit better than normal, but I hope you guys are enjoying the moving vlogs. Today's going to be the last of them. I finished packing up all my stuff yesterday. Today we just have to pack up the car. Connor's actually gonna be here in a few minutes and he's gonna help me load up, and the rest of the day includes saying some goodbyes. Connor and I are going to lunch. And I've got a couple of blog posts and YouTube videos to finish up. That way I have content scheduled for the next few days while life gets chaotic. But, oh, and I made this like a fantastic montage video of my summer that I will show you guys later when I post it. But first, here is what I'm wearing today. Literally, like, I'm just wearing clothes that are like left here in my closet. A lot of stuff is packed, but today I've got on a t-shirt that says I don't even know, Club Day Tennis, and this is from Boohoo. And then my biker shorts are also from Boohoo, and my shoes are from Shein. Just something super casual and comfy. I actually just got a bunch of new pieces in the mail from Boohoo yesterday, and I want to do like a little try on / unboxing for you guys so that you can see my new goodies. So thank you, Boohoo, for sponsoring today's video. Just some fun stuff before heading back to school. Starting off, I got 3 pairs of sweat shorts because I wanted some new like comfy clothes for back to school season. So I got this pair right here. They say Official Tennis Club along the sides. They've got a little bit of embroidery and they're just super stretchy. I love the elastic waistband, and the heathered gray is super cute. I also got this pair of heathered gray. These ones are a little bit different because they have a seam along the bottom, whereas the other ones are more of a raw hem. These ones do not have an adjustable waist. They actually just have this little patch along the center that's super cute, and they've got deep pockets. This is from their Official line, which I really love. Some really high quality stuff, and these are fleece lined, so super thick, a great summer to fall transition piece. And I end up wearing sweat shorts a lot during online school. And then I also got this pink pair right here. Very cute, very similar to the last 2 pairs. Really easy to throw on with just a basic top and a pair of Converse. Moving on, I got a sweat set because you guys know how much I love sweat sets recently. This one came together and I got it in a size extra small. It fits me beautifully. It's this taupe color that, again, is perfect for that summer to fall transition. It says woman in embroidery along the sides, and I really enjoy how tapered these joggers are. They're really fitted in all the right areas. And then I also got this hoodie. It comes together, like I said. The hoodie is definitely pretty short, so if you don't like something super cropped, I would probably skip out on this set altogether, but it's also like really fun with just like a basic cami underneath as well. I don't know, I think it's kind of flattering how short it is. It says woman in embroidery along the front. You could easily mix and match these pieces as well. I also got this collared shirt from the Official line. I just tried everything on, so sorry that it's inside out right now. But this is white collared. It says Official in green embroidery along the sides, and I just really like this. Again, the kind of piece that you could throw on with bike shorts, sweat shorts. You can even wear this with denim and a pair of white chunky sneakers. I've been looking for pieces that are just like really easy to throw on for school, so very cute. And then I also grabbed just a couple of like nicer pieces because Fashion Week is right around the corner, and I've been trying to pick up pieces that I think I could style for it. So I grabbed this like linen button-up dress. The model looked so good in this, and she had it styled with like lace-up heels and a belt, and I think it's a really fun way to wear these. I've also been seeing these all over TikTok recently, people leaving them open with like a swimsuit underneath too, so I figured this could also work as a cover-up. It's the perfect material. I'm about 5'2", 5'3", and I thought that this was just the right length on me. So maybe I'll bring that to Fashion Week and try out the little lace-up heel belted moment. And then I also got this blue and white floral set. I also thought that this could be cool for Fashion Week with maybe like a white top and some heels. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about the bottoms. They are like fitted almost like leggings. Let me know what you guys think. It looks really cute on, but I'm not 100% sure how else I should style it, like with what hair. Maybe like a slick low bun and hairspray, like, you know, like hairsprayed back, but I don't know. It also came with this blazer, very, very cute. The blazer is like not super structured at all. It doesn't even have shoulder pads, so very flimsy, which I actually kind of like because it takes the shape to your body rather than something super structured. So grabbed that as well. And last but not least, I also got some socks just because I desperately needed new socks before heading back to school. I got this pack that has 4 pairs of crew socks. I love these peeking out of my Converse or chunky sneakers. They're the best. So big thank you to Boohoo. I will leave everything linked down below so that you guys can shop. And that's a wrap. The rest of this room is pretty much emptied out. I do need to like put some of these hangers all in the same direction and bring them out to my car. But other than that, everything's good to go. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. All right, I'm gonna take all of these bags and stuff that I packed up yesterday downstairs. That way everything's in one spot, so it'll make loading the car a little bit easier. Okay, this looks like utter chaos, but I promise there is some method to my madness. Connor will be here any minute to help me start loading.
Can't stand this place no more, but I'm still here, don't know what for. You know that I've been waiting all night. I can't get used to letting you go. I hope you know that I don't want to go nowhere, cause I need you in my life. Oh, I need you by my side, yeah. We can go somewhere to be alone on our own. If you want, I can show you just how much I need you in my life. Oh, I need you by my side, yeah. I need you in my life for one night, oh one night. I need you in my life for one night, just one night.
Okay, friends, we've packed up as much as what's gonna fit in here with me being able to see. I definitely could have fit more in here. I moved out on my own and fit everything that I had like lived in here, but Madison is driving separate, so I saved a few bags to go in her car. I figured that was like the safest, easiest way. Like I don't want so much stuff that I can't see, which is kind of how I drove home when I moved home. So for now, this looks good. I'll show you what's left. Okay, so Madison's car is gonna have these 2 blue IKEA bags. She's gonna take this picture frame, these 2 lamps. Lamps are like really hard to pack without squishing them, so I figured I would let her take them. And then just the few things on hangers. But besides that, everything else went in my car.
My brain's not working.
Connor's brain dead because I made him wake up at 11 o'clock. But we're at Music Cafe. What did you get? What's it called?
I got the Stairway to Freebird.
I got the Motley chicken. I've been getting the Tennessee Waltz, but I'm switching it up today. Okay, what do you rate your sandwich? 3, 2, 1,
9.
7.
Psych. I take it back. 8.2.
8.2. Whoa, that was a major downgrade. I usually really like.
You rushed me.
I usually really like the whatever I got. What is it called?
Motley chicken.
Motley chicken. But I should have got the Tennessee Waltz. Like the chicken was kind of weird on mine today, but it was still good. Thanks for lunch, Con.
No problem. I'm gonna have to take a shit now.
It's been a few hours since I last checked in, but Connor left around 2 and I immediately got up a sponsored post with TJ Maxx. I went and filmed this, I want to say 2 weeks ago now, so it's been some time, but I just uploaded that and it's getting a lot of love from you guys, which I really appreciate. I always like seeing sponsored posts do well, especially with brands that I've used and loved for ages. So this was my photo. Go give it some love if you haven't already. I then went over to iMovie and I edited 2 different moving vlogs. So the ones that went up the days prior to this, I just got working on, and I am currently processing one to YouTube as we speak. It is about 5:50, so it took me almost too long. It took me too long, 3.5 hours to get all that stuff done. But if I'm being honest, I sat on TikTok and scrolled through Instagram for a good chunk of that time. But anyways, okay, I just remembered that Madison's car is literally here. My sister moved into school yesterday, for those of you who like missed a video or whatever, and she is on her way home right now because she's going to Kent to help me move in. And then we're driving to the wedding this weekend together. One of my cousins is getting married. But her car is here. They took Colton's car to move her in. So I'm about to go pack up the rest of that stuff in her car. I also forgot like a few random things. As I was sitting like watching people's TikToks of their room, it like processed in my head that I was forgetting to pack a few things. So I need to go get like all of my masks. I'm about to break down my ring light. And there were like a couple other like random things that I thought of that I just want to like deal with now so that I don't forget. I think I just did that wrong. That might be bad. Yep. All right, there we go. Anyways, so let's pack up her car as well. My last supper at home, steak and tater tots, my favorite. Okay, everybody, I'm at the Mannion's house. I already said bye to Chase and Mrs. Mannion. Connor! Put me down! Ow, ow, ow. Ow. Okay. I said goodbye to them earlier this week, so, Connor! Stop. So it's just the other two today. Any parting words?
No.
Bye guys, see you soon. Alright guys, I'm home, and I swear, years later, it still doesn't get easier saying bye to your best friends and your family. I'm thankfully gonna see my family in 2 more days, but I know I'll have an awesome year, and I truly could not be more grateful for this summer. I just realized I never shared my like end of summer montage. I'm not sure if it's gonna let me keep the music in or not for copyright reasons, but I will leave it here for you guys to watch.
This night's getting over me. I'm seeing you getting over me, but you can't stay away all night. She just wants to dance with me, but I can't feel her melody. You know that she's been drinking all night.
Like that really sums up my summer so well. I like truly could not have asked for a more fulfilling summer. I feel like I stepped out of my comfort zone and I tried new things and I met new people and I took advantage of this last summer at home, and I feel so lucky and just so loved. And I can't wait to see what the school year and the rest of my college time and next summer brings. But I really do love my family, and I know that it's going to hit me after I leave, how much I will miss them. But yeah, I know it's been a crazy summer. I know that a lot of you haven't stuck with me, and I know that many of you have come around and joined me, so thank you to all of you in whatever purpose you serve here on my channel. It means so much more than you could ever possibly know. So that is a wrap for summer vlogs here in Maryland. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow morning for my first vlog in Kent. Love you guys so much. Talk soon.